In this session, I will be providing you with an introduction to the subject business accounting. I will be walking you through the syllabus, and then I will be explaining to you what are the different topics that we have to be learning. In the subject that we would be learning together is called as business accounting. Business accounting is a 4-credit paper. It is a 4-credit paper. You have to remember your overall BBA subject. It is a combination of core courses as well as open electives. Some of your core courses and open electives may be 3 credits or they will be 4 credits. But in my case, this subject that I'm teaching you, business accounting, it is a 4-credit paper. Now, because it is a 4-credit paper, you have to also understand the structure of the entire paper would change. Since this is a 4-credit paper, the evaluation for this course would be out of 100 marks. The evaluation for this particular subject, since it's a 4-credit paper, it would be out of 100 marks. Out of that 100 marks, 70 marks you would be getting from the end semester exam that you will be writing at the end of the semester, and the remaining 30 marks would be coming from your internal assessments. So internal assessments would comprise of your assignment, midterm exam, class participation, attendance, etc. So that will give you 30 marks, and the remaining 70 marks you would be getting from your end semester examination. Also, since this is a 4-credit paper, the assignment evaluation for this particular subject, it would be out of 10 marks. The evaluation of the assignment for this particular subject, it would be out of 10 marks. So let me give you an introduction to what business accounting is all about. By learning this course, business accounting, it would provide you with an overview of accounts. What is accounts? Why does a business need accounts? What are the accounting practices in a firm? So that is what is aimed, or that is what is aspired through this particular course. Then in this course, we would be covering the basics. So the basics, the foundational concepts that you have to, the fundamental concepts that you will have to be learning, that would be covered in this particular topic. Then this is a foundational subject. This subject is a very basic, it's a very elemental subject. It helps you, or it provides you with a fundamental understanding. So the reason why this subject is being taught to you is because for you to learn other accounting and finance subject, for you to understand other concepts in accounts as well as in finance, you would be definitely taking into consideration of the relevance of the subject is very important. So you have to ensure that that you are well acquainted with the concepts that we will be studying over here. For you to learn business accounting, one important aspect you have to remember is that you would need a systematic approach to learn the subject, and it also needs a continuous approach to learn the subject. It is not something that you can probably learn one day before the examination or 1 week before the examination. Much of the concepts, much of the topics that we are covering over here, it needs a routine study on a day-to-day basis. Okay? It would definitely be needing a routine study on a day-to-day basis. So now let me share the syllabus with you. This subject provides or comprises of 5 units. Okay? This subject comprises of 5 chapters, 5 units. I will also explain to you what each of these subject or each of these chapter, what would be learning under each of these chapter. The first chapter is Introduction to Accounting and Accounting Systems. Here, this is a theoretical chapter, theoretical unit. Here, we will be learning the theoretical framework with which accounting is carried out. So here, we will be learning the concepts of the theoretical concepts that are associated with accounting. So we would be learning what is accounting, what are the branches of accounting, why does a business need accounting, etc. Second chapter is bookkeeping. Second chapter is bookkeeping. Under bookkeeping, we will be learning what is double entry system. We would be learning how to prepare journals. We will be learning how to prepare ledgers. We will be learning how to prepare trial balance. So these are the 3 major concepts that we will be studying in the second chapter. Third chapter is subsidiary books. The third chapter is subsidiary books. So here we would be learning what are subsidiary books. We would also be learning how to prepare subsidiary books, and we will also be learning how to prepare cash book and how to prepare petty cash book. So this is what we will be learning in the third unit. Fourth unit is final accounts. So final accounts, we will be learning how to prepare trading account. We will be learning how to prepare profit and loss account. And then finally, we will be concluding the chapter by learning how to prepare balance sheet. Unit 5 is a very interesting chapter. We would be getting introduced to what is IFRS. So we would be learning what is IFRS, why is IFRS important, what is the relevance of IFRS. So that's what we will be studying in the 5th chapter. Also, accounting is a subject which is undergoing a lot of innovation, a lot of development these days. So we will also be learning some of the recent developments in accounting. So there's something which is called as value chain analysis. There's something which is called as human resource accounting. There's something which is called as green accounting. So with artificial intelligence all coming into picture, there are a lot of scope for analytics now in accounting. So we will be learning some of these developments in the 5th chapter. So that is an overview of your entire chapter. Please remember, this is a 4-credit paper, and this sub-course comprises of 5 chapters. Chapter 1, Introduction to Accounting. Chapter 2, Bookkeeping. Chapter 3, Subsidiary Books. Chapter 4, Final Accounts. Chapter 5, IFRS. So that's an overview about the